Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for using WhatsApp Web. In today's video, we'll show you how to invite contacts to a group chat via link. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to WhatsApp Web. Step 2. Go to the group chat to which you want to invite contacts. Please note that you must be an admin to perform this action. Step 3. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Group Info from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find Invite to Group via link and click on it. Step 5. A new window will appear. Click on Send Link via WhatsApp to proceed. Step 6. Choose the desired contacts you want to invite by selecting their names, then click on the Next button. Step 7. Once the chat window opens, hit Send to send the invite link to the selected contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully invited contacts to a group chat via link on WhatsApp Web. Remember, as an admin, you have the power to manage your group and invite new members effortlessly. Narrator. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp Web tutorials. Thanks for watching.